Peyton. Hi. What you doing? You come all the way from the front door with those? What you got there? Is those mommy's shoes? Hi. I love you, kid. You were so funny. You were so funny. I cannot believe that's a happy noise, Eli. You are so funny. Oh, look at that big boy. Love it. Come on. What'd you find? Let's go to Eli. Come on. Where's Eli? Where's the baby? Let's go see the baby. We're kind of going away from the baby. Let's go back to the baby. Peyton. Okay. Alright, say bye-bye, shoes. Can you put my shoes back? Okay. Say bye-bye, shoes. Peyton. Yeah? You say bye-bye? Peyton. 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 Say bye-bye. Look at Mama. Peyton. Say bye-bye.